Okay, this is part 2 of the actual Mercedes-Benz 320 that actually came in the no start. So what I've done is I went through the whole system here. I put the scan tool on the car, went through and just deleted all the faults, and all the faults got deleted, so which is good. And the good thing is the actual battery light, I got the adaptation done on the battery, and the actual battery light now is actually not showing up. The little red battery is not showing up. But even though that little battery is not showing up because of before, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact the owner of this car to get this auxiliary battery changed, because looks like it's never been done before. That's the one there, auxiliary battery in the 320. So the car's been running on the hoist for about nearly 1.5 hours now. Before we couldn't even start it. It was just no start. Keep cranking but nothing happened. Oh, sorry, speed up. I forgot it's dark. Okay, I better come here. That's better. Yeah, so contact the owner tomorrow for the actual auxiliary battery. I'm going to check the fuel pump scope to see if the actual windings, commutator winding, the commutator signals coming in is clean. If the signal is not clean, then the actual fuel pump probably will fail in about 12 months, depending how bad the signal is. But I'll check it tomorrow. And yeah, it looks like this car's fixed, but we'll do that first and double check it again. We're going to take it for a long drive, and then for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then we're going to come back and reassess everything and then go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, one more thing I forgot to do. Better do it. I usually do it last anyway. When we put a new battery in the car, we got to do a current draw, and a current draw means we hook up a tool between the actual negative terminal to see how much current or how much power. You can see current power, it doesn't really matter how much voltage or power or amp, whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing at the end. How much current or the actual car is drawing from the battery. If the current's too high, then we have to pull the fuses out and find out if something's staying on, killing the battery. But what we're doing now, we're going to actually do the current draw now. The last thing, and hopefully it will be 30 to 40 milliamps. I'll be happy with 30 milliamps. Okay, take the negative off. You always do the negative because the negative is the actual the common part of the body. So we just disconnect it there. Alright, you hook up the plus to that one. Yep. And then negative to that one. The terminal? No, terminal. Negative. The one you took off, yeah. Turn it on. Turn it on. That's the current door. So what am I doing now? We're gonna lock this. Just wait up. As you can see, the current draw now is 2.7. So we're gonna lock it now. So we just lock the car. It's on 2.56 amps. So we're gonna we're just gonna press pause, and we'll come back in about 5 to 10 minutes. And if the current draw doesn't drop down, so see how it's dropping down to 1.3, 1.32, 1.26, 0.8, that's getting good. 0.6, come on, 0.6. Hopefully we 0.3, 0.4. .6 is a bit too high to me, if you ask me. I'm going to press pause and we'll come back in 5 minutes and see. Alright, I'm back now. About 5 minutes ago I pressed pause on my actual recorder, my phone. So now the current draw has dropped down to 0.4. Sorry, I meant to say 0.04. I said 0.4 before, sorry. To me that's too high. The current draw is too high. That's way too high. What I meant to say before, it should be 0.04 or 0.06, 0.05. Anywhere 0.0 for 40 milliamps, 30 milliamps. It's good. But now it's on 0.41. That's too high. So something else is drawing the current. So the car's got two problems. It came in with the actual flat battery, and the flat battery was due to the current draw is too high. I still gotta wait another 15 minutes, see if it dropped down, and I can actually look up the Mercedes-Benz manual, but from experience it should be around 0.04 or 0.05. 0.03 would be perfect, 0.02 even better. But just looking at that, the current draw is too high, so I've got to find out which item in the electrical circuit is staying on, drawing current when the car is locked. Okay. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll find out again tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.